A disease once considered untreatable, now manageable. A virus that threatened millions, stopped by a vaccine developed in record time. Behind every medical breakthrough is a relentless commitment to science, research, and discovery. Welcome to Pharma, Biotech, and CRO, the industry where data and human ingenuity combine to rewrite what medicine can achieve. This highly specialized sector brings together pharmaceutical companies developing and manufacturing life-saving drugs, biotechnology firms pushing the boundaries of biological research, and contract research organizations, CROs, that provide the outsourced scientific and clinical expertise to accelerate development. From discovering novel drug candidates and conducting rigorous clinical trials, to securing regulatory approval and monitoring real-world drug safety, pharma, biotech, and CRO sits at the absolute frontier of human health innovation. In an industry where a single clinical trial can involve thousands of patients across dozens of countries, data analytics is the engine that makes precision possible. During drug discovery, analytics processes vast compound libraries to identify the most promising candidates, dramatically reducing research timelines. Across clinical trials, real-time monitoring ensures data integrity and tracks patient responses with rigorous accuracy. Pharmacovigilance analytics detects safety signals before they become crises. And regulatory analytics ensures every submission meets the exacting standards of global health authorities. Artificial intelligence is compressing drug discovery timelines from decades to years, simulating molecular interactions and predicting therapeutic outcomes with a speed and scale no human research team could replicate. Genomics and precision medicine platforms are redefining treatment from generalized protocols to individually tailored interventions. And digital clinical trial infrastructure is making research more accessible, efficient, and globally inclusive than ever before. The future of pharma, biotech, and CRO belongs to those who can harness data to accelerate discovery and improve lives at scale. Clinical data analyst, biostatistics specialist, pharmacovigilance data scientist, regulatory intelligence analyst, life sciences research analyst. These are careers where your work directly contributes to treatments that save and extend human lives. If you want a career measured in genuine impact, this is where data meets its highest purpose. Begin that journey with Analytics Learners. Learn analytics. Launch your career.